All right, guys, welcome back. Alain Boisvert here from Inaxsys Security Systems, talking about our VMS Arkiv5, which is being released this week. So what I want to go over is once a camera has been brought in. So I don't have an actual camera that is put into my software currently, but I do have a video clip that's playing here in the background. So I'm in the device tab here on the, of course, I'm just gonna go back here. This is what you would normally see. I haven't created any views, so I'm gonna go into tools, go under devices, and this is the device that I added before, which is a video feed of a show that's playing right now. So what can you do in this, once you do have a video feed, generally when you have a camera that's coming into Arkiv, we always bring in two different streams. Basically, all cameras have multiple streams coming into a software automatically. So in this case, there's the low stream and a high stream. Generally, we take in the low stream to do our analytics. We don't actually record that low stream. But we apply analytics on it. What we want to do is do high stream is what we record to get the best quality. People are buying 4K cameras, for example. Well, you want to be recording the 4K signal. And once you have your camera or video stream coming in, this is where you would basically name the camera. I'm going to use test, which is a very popular thing. I can put in comments. The ID here is how it shows up on the left-hand side on that tree right here. If I want to change the ID, I can, or the position of that camera. I may add cameras later on, and I might want to put them in the front of the row and not the last camera that's been added on the tree. Of course, the IP address would be here. So you have a whole bunch of information here. So this is where you would actually control the camera. So if a camera has a PTZ functionality, you would come here and activate the PTZ protocol so that you can now control that PTZ. So another thing you can do here is, let me go down the list that would be relevant. Of course, you can change the password and everything else. And here on the right-hand side is you've got your high stream and low stream, I guess, settings. If you want to be able to change those settings directly into the Arkiv software and send it over to the camera, you can. So by doing this here, so there's no active button there, but if I go into high stream here, for example, and this camera would be, 400 by 600 size of resolution, I know that the camera can do 1 megapixel. This would give me the option of putting it at 1 megapixel. I can't do it right now simply because this is a file and it is a fixed file. It's not a camera as per se. So obviously you can change all of the parameters of the camera directly into Arkiv. The more integration you have, if it's an integrated package that you're using instead of an OnViv profile, the more features you can change directly into Arkiv and send over to the camera instead of going into the camera's webpage and making those changes there. So that's our VMS right now. So thank you very much. If you guys have more questions, please enter it into our comment section onto YouTube or anywhere else, LinkedIn or Facebook. Please subscribe, help us out, join our group. We're giving you as much information possible. And again, we have sales support across the world. We're there to help. Thank you very much for assisting.